this is Rasha. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to increase knitting, and this is one of the questions sending in by my visitor from my website, and the question regarding the pattern and how to increase the purl stitches, as you can see here, how to P8 K1 with left needle, lift running thread between the stitches and purl into the back loop 2 times. And she was frustrated because she didn't quite understand it. So I'll try to explain as much as I can. And basically what this means is to increase these purl stitches into the space between a stitch on the left and the right needle. Usually when you do increase, you only do one stitch at the time. This is the first time that I see increase on the purl side and with doing purl twice. So we're gonna take a close look at it when I show you how to do that. Okay, so I have knit some sample piece and I did purl 8 just as the pattern said, and I did K1, and now we're going to be working with this increased part. So how we going to purl 2 stitches into this thread right here. So what we're going to do, we're going to lift this part up and put it on the left needle. We're going to purl 2, one on the back of this loop. Okay, let's look for the back part. So we're gonna purl into this one. So you're gonna insert the needle. This is kind of tricky, huh? Insert the needle into the back of this piece right here. There must be an easier way to do this. Let's try again. So we know that the back is gonna be this one. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna turn it around, lift this up and put it this way. So I can purl this part. Okay, I'll purl this part like so. And then don't slip that out. I'm gonna purl another stitch, which is this part, and purl it again. There. So now I make 2. Got 1, 2, and then work the rest as the pattern state. Okay. So this is what it means here. When you see asterisk here, it means that when you finish with this part, and then or maybe the pattern had more instruction here, I don't know, but it's gonna say repeat from, and then the star, repeat from star. So you have to go back and do that again and again until it says to stop. Okay, so I'm gonna finish this one, knit to the end. That's not in the pattern, I just do that just to finish it off. And then you can see it's gonna be a little different than the rest of the purl, but there you make 2 increase for purl right there. Okay, I hope that helped. Thank you for visiting my channel and watching my video. If you like to subscribe to my channel, you can press the subscribe button so you won't miss any future video I put out. Thanks again. See you next time. Bye bye.